Hello, I'm Chance.
And Sam.
And we're here to unbox more Dryad tea.
I was like, not a very good shot of the box. But I'm also not going to show you guys the top because personal info. Woohoo!
We'll get some close-ups of the...
It's always tea time. Another sticker.
Is that the same one as the one we got last time?
No, the last one was, I run on caffeine or something like that.
And more packing peanuts.
Freebie! Undine or Undine. 2 servings. Woo.
Which will get reviewed.
Eventually. A Bronze Dragon's Brew. Caffeine-free rooibos layered with delightful spices and pumpkin bits. That was his pick. I can tell you that right the fuck now. You were all about the pumpkin. So that's a you pick.
That might, yeah.
Elven Mist. Tangy notes of lychee, soft floral jasmine, hints of honey, citrus, and apple.
That was a both of us.
Glimmer Sprite. Bright and fruity with a hint of amaretto. That was definitely me pick. Black cats and pointy hats. All things autumn, mulled spices and apples. So
that's gonna be good.
It kind of reminded me of a drink from Starbucks that I tend to get, which is surprisingly available all year round. It's called a caramel apple spice, and it tastes like fall in a cup, and I love it way more than any pumpkin spice anything. And maybe that makes me a heretic. I don't give a shit. Yeah, we only got 4 this time. So, I'm excited to try some of these out.
These will be getting shuffled into our lineup. Because...
I now have a lineup. I've decided what's next.
These will get shuffled in.
And they will, for sure. They always have, like, the green grass wormies.
And the dissolvable peanuts.
I will not, so the last time I went through the entire box and I, like, managed to get all of these dissolved down, and the result was kind of gross. I will not be doing that again. But they do pack, with biodegradable peanuts, which is pretty cool. So, you guys go.
They got another card.
Just recommended steep times, I think, and the amount, no, I think it says that steep times are listed on the packages. But, it tells you how much of their stuff they recommend for how much water. And it just gives, like, their social and that kind of stuff. It tells you what socials they're on. And it gives their name. Yeah.
So far, the lineup of teas have been really spot on, really good.
Yeah.
Looking forward to trying these. Yeah. Well, I think that's going to do it for us today. I'll come up and show the camera some close-ups.
So I did leave a tip for this I left a tip for both orders. And they put like a little heart on the note.
Aww.
And they've personally like checked off everything and made sure everything's there. And they wrote thank you at the bottom.
That's sweet of them.
Yeah, and it's handwritten, which is really great. It lets you know that they're taking the time to actually look at things, which is great. They are on TikTok, so if you guys want to find them, they are just the same as they are as a company. It's Dryad Tea. They've got, like I said, probably some other socials. Looks like Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook.
Little spoilers for those of you who are interested in our gaming content. We've got
stuff recorded for sure.
Yeah, we've got stuff coming down the pipeline. I've got some minis content that I want to do, and I don't know.
Okay.
Well, with that said, keep adventuring.